Hello everyone. In this video, we will know about the animals and their home. A lion lives in a den. A bear lives in a cave. Elephants live in forest. Deer lives in grasslands. Hippopotamus lives near riverbanks. Cheetah lives in savanna. Monkeys live on trees. Camel lives in desert. Giraffe lives in savanna. Cow lives in cattle shed. Horse lives in stable. Donkey lives in stable. Hen lives in coop. Rabbit lives in burrow. Ants live in anthill. Frogs live near ponds and lakes. Snakes live in burrow. Bee live in a hive. A dog lives in a kennel. A mouse lives in a hole. Birds live in nest. Panda lives in bamboo forest. Pig lives in a pigsty. Sheep lives in a pen. Ducks live in water. And fish also lives in water. Thank you.